for GC News, Mima Ubibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Aramede, Bravo. And it is a subscribe to channel, the Abumodi say, over subscribe. Jobe say, over click a subscribe button. Now, a barely notification. When a new video be uploaded, when the first person I was Beka ASR video. I feel we are like video and give us a thumbs up. Now, share my for Frosona when you be here, that will and somewhere across Ghana Memoano. Afi Yambura ye and Sama Abeto Yapnoso. Captain Smart, Onia TV morning show host, what the and Simbi Tuja watch the say, where ye show be a show corner, another pa, man, no. When ye meeting, if I know, no, Chese, Gabby, asare otchere, sending the message. Now, what is happening in Atuja, Sasso, and now what to see a year and Asante Bediatuo, Emma Wadi and Simbi Atuja Afano. And Tentamara, Yanko, a year Captain Smart, Akachi, Yukuti, and somewhere a year Captain Eddie Tuja. Interior Zone.
18th August 2021, me can't some chawa, me mouth date and time. 18th at me quarter, no me follow. Never do so Johnny. 18th August 2021. This is the message Gabby sent to me, and I am reading this in English. 18th August 2021. Nanu ofia how. Maybe 1st June 2021. June, July, August. Me show. Just 2 days after. Me say show. Now that day, 18th August 2021. Show no coordinado homa. So there was a family meeting over my head. So we need catch now. The Achim Caucus met. We might share with Jubilee House. We might share with Cantonment. We might share with East Legon. We might share directly opposite Electoral Commission. I was standing right behind them, but they didn't see me. The Achim Caucus had a meeting. Our man, and then my catch was a me bedjuma. Into be off here, be a penny for penny paper natural ye. The one can so be frail catch rail. Who from here? Minubenia some office. See, natural. Now what me aka? It's a warrior meeting, no. Wako meeting no 1:30 p.m. It's above 4:28. Na Gabby otchere sending me message. I said something about Kweku Annan and taxes. You say Kweku Annan on PM free forest. Neba deputy minister. And then Gabby sent this. Look at this. My phone I'm the now, listen, I'll say. I believe the last time I spoke to Otin of Angel, Tienye, it is a MPP for catcher, say, NG group, part of one district, one factory. It's a lie. I believe the last time I spoke to Otin of Angel must have been in 2019. 10 years. 2019, and I call London, no. That same time, now me call France. Kweku Annan flights from Kotoka International Airport, all call UK. The same day, now me so me trap aeroplane, now me call France. Me insist central for now boss slim can some dimechi cause I am beduma. Also, when we bumped into each other at Heathrow Airport checking in. So, I would be surprised if he mentioned my name, Tenye. Or see, he will be surprised if Kweku Annan mentioned his name. as being connected to any pressure on him. On pressure from the taxman into brackets Nanado. Yamlam Troy, William Gabby, catch us on her phone. On the pressure from the taxman, my law firm is facing same. It is the season. The pressure is on all of us. Send a message we mami 18th August 2021. Munina ubia wunim said ye show our network bi so no. 18th August 2021 March ayeye ofia ha. Ube who say I spoke about Ejapade. Gyamfi no to. And I'm responding man say that is why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor. Because let me tell you on authority, when we try Ejapade no, na Gabby otchere darko ni ho. But Gabby came to read the final document. Chevier, me, I know, and they know I know. Me, I know, and they know I know. I am repeating. I know, and they know I know. Eti, me trauma Gabby say, me response ni, me what's up ni. Me say, that is why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor of the pressure mounted on him. Because Nana Danko Akufo Addo in 2007, otchere companies makumako 70 or the president obeguno. Men make a and I'll give you the names. If you are not follow me closely on my Facebook and follow me closely on my I say I'm friend Twitter. I say whatever. Follow me there. Messi Nana Danko Akufo Addo in 2007. Otchere companies makumako 70 what Ghana ha so no odi president obegusa companies nina so that the cousin Ken Ofori Atta can take over the entire financial enterprise of the economy. Ken Ofori Atta can take over the entire insurance enterprise of the economy. That is the word they use, enterprise. And I'll come to explain to you enterprise. Enter and surprise them. Their enterprise is not the enterprise you know in the dictionary. Their enterprise is enter and surprise them. There are 70 companies. I say, I know can say a good. And these things happened when Bawumia was called on the 18th of November 2018. Ask Bawumia if he doesn't know what I'm talking about. 18th November 2018. I know, and they know I know. Me no mu tu kwan. Me ye me ho kwasia. Ene na me di ho machi. Me no sha brabase a wadwuma se me yejimi fo. Etu be hu se ba ye tu kwan ni wi a na be hu se o ka asafo a. E wo mbotum. 70 companies. So this was my response. That's why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor of the pressure mounted on him. Bam. Me first na me trouble for Facebook. Me share that tron said my bon. Me share that. Unim me the darko ubenim me. Then on the 8th of March 2024, Gabby dem in the Ato Forson. I am in the office twice. Office I think they will come to me to say it's legal to club maybe say call law firm bon command anapoku. My former manager a friend say otchere and also we be asase and I am person mo fa me na me koye morning show e wa asase mwa me say na me ba adwuma eti ye wie ejapade ye the 3 days spell ye do document ni ba bia producer say manya boko be yime friso. I want you to follow me. Hey, a Japanese document, no, and you're fake. Document, no, I shall say 2007. Me na me catch now. And I am daring Gabby Ochredako, who read one more document in a Gabby on Capo no Mocho, or Bano type here, no, Miss Oko investor of Kepus, minimum pa, and they know I know her pa. A nippo or far final document, no. Or send ya como bia or ye mistake the kwatu before fro baby and also they know I know him pa me roche hini padaruma who fedodo ohini papa ohini wadaruma bia abrafo afi moja wochi enchesa wonyo hini twi na makane modu nana ma brafo ene ahemfo na tiase sa brafo fi moja wo hene chi a ente so hene nyo hene wo da yo hene na mo ma brafo no wo fi moja wo chi ye wie ya pepe na Gabby Ochredako fa the phone no send me message. Captain, I am not too sure what you seek to achieve by inciting hatred against Achims. No, not every Achim. I know the Achims I am talking about. And quoting from a document that every person without analytical cognitive dissonance, say bro, say how, can tell it's fake, and using that to whip up hatred. Gabby Desani Mami, I want to tell you, I know. Presenter be a nigga na Gabby Ochredako on the phone and sending the message on the Japade. It's not cool. It's unpatriotic. Last part I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing. I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing, but to express my outer disappointment with you as a person I have known for years. This is 8th March 2024. I am reading that again. So when I tell you I know that family, don't doubt me. Or say, I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing, but to express my utter disappointment with you as a person I have known for years. I've told you so, feel landimba yehuno. And then I did a quarter uncompleted building. Akufo time in 2001 February. No, me who Gabby Ochredako, and I have known Gabby from that time to today. Yes, somebody I have known for years. Okay, we were not trained to be journalists to create and incite hate in society we seek to serve. Have a good day. And I'm sure I say, okay, that was my response. Gabby says he knows me for years. Me say, a Japanese document, the word from Gabby knew. Gabby came to read the final document. Yeah, yen hwe nipa ni mo ho na yen ka no kora nkyere no. Look, the Bank of Ghana governor will not drink ye adwuma. Ah. Sa drink na da papa ni tirim ni ye adwuma. Kase ka by now resign. Dabio, enu am kyere mu kyere o, hwe. Enye nwanwa. Se papa yi wegu pa kwesi ndom bank. Wegu Unibank. Wegu your friend is saying Royal Bank. Any other banks. E kana sa banks we na boy no. Wo kabomu a enu 20 billion. Ba wo waboka 60.8 billion. Time na obo saka no. Na Ghana kope $3 billion every IMF. Ba e kana boy wo Ghana ha no. $6 billion. Eti ni ye ko IMF akoje 3 billion. Sana Bank of Ghana wo sika or say no 6 billion. Dwen owo ni pe bi o wa woni nam wawu ageni nya dwuma. Eti ya na ye say owu yi clinically ye pronouncing it dead. Je chese ye de brofo toto ho sa owo kura ye wodo wo brofo. There are a lot of people leading nations in Africa. Their brains are dead. When him said nipa wewo ade ba kope no nim fridge. Fundaka atade ade be hye no ene ame no obedem. Enti hwe politician amena no ye ma. Enti politicians no munya sika a marketing papa we di 72 years who call conference for Sweden with the 23-year-old girl they do achi one more dam 72 what am to now what into who ba won has the way we say home no but so what when you hete who be who eti nipa na dwene wuo ote se obi a efunu opamena petokro kwa eti nipa na dwen ewuo no ote se de wewuo fundaka eti se politicians ni wie sika ade wo ye na se wodi si adan eti be no na ya se dey on friend say apartments na ya to apete enkran na esi ho din sika no wi aye no amfa nkoto bank no obi aba bebu sane se wudi sika no konya no wo he efunu mfa sika nko bank nti wudi nipa na dwen ewu ebobra otise funu eti fundaka adan osisi wo wi a na wa ma account number se wa be rent ho fakotum eno no na Ghana police for financial aspects, financial security aspects, as you a genuine money, adentra or what dying, and a piwak, kohai be no diakotum into a legal business. But the question is, or ye there no see sa dino, see all. Eh? So we didn't part not G a woo, and nama or to say funu. Atade kwa ambassador at large your friend Zengra your friend say Asante Bediatuo atade be the was assist one shebi yes so a guy baby yes so be a ni krom onye guy o hey, Kwaku Kennedy Agyapong ye on nam hoyi or a guy chi Asante Bediatuo. Cause Ken talk and Asante Bediatuo but no of a Ken or a guy. But ye Bosa what ton near money sa Afenyo Markins. No why a mobo our dressing room. Who would you win share? Efunu ye the way shall say fatano ye the way shall say fatano enti efunu color be high white Eye so I saw your hene ye fra ni kente. Yes so I saw for ye won suit. Ye de abo ne ye de kwankwa de bi na mo minim. Ya tamu ne yakoto atwene. Ewi ayese ekosi yakoto atwene. Eti sa woni nipa na dwen ewu ebobra ana odi wanim a otese funu. Enu no na abewu se sika wo be ma ne ho. Ba kom de ne yere. Kosa dwen no ewu. Ebsia enye wanwa debi o dwen ho enye wanwa sa oman a yetim te sa Ghana what was na say yakotam bibi aba ye friend say friend PDS na ye dieti bubo na ye koba na ye kan wasem aban jayo aban siminjai wo ho ano pada kro na aban na kase ho se sebe wadi nsemfo ose metwam na ekana 78 million Ghana cedis kano ye nden ose o and ye bedwene ho ne ye eka foforo ba 720 million Ghana cedis close to 1 billion. Yay. What was you say? Encrophobia, you're from Kroll and Associates. Yes, so Madam for be your draw of finance ministry. It's your tam $1 million, Peter J. Me fa so minya mema wadwuma tedi dachi mema wadwuma ye. Ba adwuma na daache mema wa ye no menya nwene ho adwuma kona me de be ma obeye na bom ji $1 million no kodi ada medwene ho a me ho adwuma me de be ma obeye no ne metua bi aso so it is a Ghana you be papa adwuma to say 3p gallica aka ukotua sika kura wo nua TV so obekwa akoye fa be wo so advert wo ho a time no kura fa bo so ya no beba beduru beba ho ma che kura na kate na mu beduru yi aya na me hu meti o why how what aya na sheme ya da me hu meti yet was sana ba yetrim politician osodai Messi dan Yakupon kran enkofo wetumi adada no nipa otumi dada Yakupon wunsuro no wo ho nipa otumi kire Yakupon to ho etumi ofuli Yakupon wunsuro no na what was sana asofo mpanifo wo krom ha wọ́n ti mi yankwa Threát mountains anko bubuo they atam $1.9 million at the container kosi Israel akosi sabuo at the agum at the bonus ship so from Israel they are Ghana see the Messi National Cathedral na kadia menim say edan de yesi wie na ya screening answer ya total sato na mom eboo no yakwa krabo no $1.9 million ya the container kosi Israel akobubuo ewo Garden of Eden sa na ye ka no at the border to contain them at the abesin crying wa bra tokro ene da ho ukoka ye say hey Captain Menka because opoko onyina or your former chairman of Wawa sorry this is rubbish. Because opoko ina on to be fed when to be fed in san Pentecost ka 1 cedi on to be ni won't to be say no Pentecost me ma sorry the church of Pentecost who slow so for wo ahene obewu yi mankasim Peter na de no Pentecost ya sorry ya mobesia Won't mean fast sorry ni din enko bobesia. Woni asori dan ya yedin. Wo dey afode nkakra area de kakra beba, national de kakra beba, district no so munya na yesi dan no nkakra. Intimate hey baby ameme kwa asori ewo ayi nkran ha mini window. Emu da ho brain. Cause yensi wie. So for me and ho betimi di asori di. Owo ahene gota da na sori dan nim. Sika ni ho. Ah wo de be ye gota no. And of Robbie Sammy Sikada me five because me wafo ne ba ho mache sori a no ma betom kron. Wey nkoda keten no mo to gota ni mu asori dan nanim. E no oju obi sika se ma ye nkata so. Na ye ba afode ya ye betua. Ba afode wie no na obo ne presbytery amane ye se e ka we na da ho se ye ntenko. Na obi reporting no ye pamo no free Pentecost. And I agree with the executive council. We no onye adwen if you say nhye ne nkyere sa na mboa asoro ni sika asoro ni yemfa mbo besia enye o papa business na we take unilateral decision even though o ya de papa but o tia mra e wa soro dem enti ye pamo no but sa so for we ya o pamo bi betimi afa 1.9 million o de akotobo egu container mu enti say national cathedral is so o sa container is so ba ko ebo na dem. Containers is one a boy nedem. You see, now yet to war a year fair. Now you're wasting $58 million. Hey, Bishafo. $58 million. Yes, it's a can oh, the Diagro. Oh, yeah, the yeah, ne yekono. Oh, I say oh, asa. Eko. Na yete ho. Obi anka hwe because ye nyina no ase ya dwe ewu. Ye nyina ase ya dwe ewu. Hey, say it was what was now by your catch say 1 year my boy auditor general's report eba no sika 20 billion Ghana cedis $2 billion ewa he e say ayra I say, oh, why? Say that. Now, Public Accounts Committee, almost all your politicians, Ghana, more. No, almost what I say. Best way, no, Akufo Bible. Nana Kwame Bawumia. I do swear in the name of the Almighty God. I do swear in the name of the Almighty God that whatever I shall say shall be the truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God. Trase, can you tell your name, mention your name to this committee? Mr. Chair, my name is Nana Kwame Bawumia. Are you the accountant of Bediatuo District Assembly? Yes, Mr. Chair. What happened to the auctioning of the 5 Toyota pickups? Mr. Chair, you know, what happened was that, Mr. Chair, when we went for the auctioning, Mr. Chair, after the auctioning, Mr. Chair, I realized that, Mr. Chair, nobody was coming to buy the other car. So, Mr. Chair, I took it. Okay, so how much did you auction one car? Mr. Chair, because of the nature of the car had gone beyond Jen, so we sold it. We sold the pickup for 1,000 Ghana cedis. One pickup. Yeah, Mr. Chair, it has gone beyond repair, so I sold it and then I added one to added one to myself. Oh, she need a free district assembly. Abba, pick up me and son. We understand also, yeah, Obiama. It's be told here, me fa bako. Me amatambako de atoso. Me de bako atoso. It's a pick up no one ho. I say pick up no e wo me ho. Now what turn bako say me turn 1,000 Ghana cedis. Now car tie. Home use tie. Kura ye turn say e wo kuro him. I say me turn 1,000. But me we na me sa fa bako to so because Obiama. And honorable creature say na second no say I say beyond repairs or say ani it's car no he or say car no takrade car no ya then the free voter regi ever say ko takrade or say when I got to Sugar Copper I bought some fuel into the car Mr. Chair, Captain Smart. I am sorry to err is human. Now ya trust and penny for what et me sinkonya a western Ghana penny for you now your time TV time radio time obia time na akwanaka to air is mutiriso na ye jano na okofie pick up you 1,000 Ghana
Oniamachi o ye tie Captain Smart oja
Yo, waiting for waiting and some Captain Smart Eddie Atuja on your TV bonus show host Wabro and Sembe so a Gabby message I was sending us also nowadays in an Asante Bediatuo to Hon so Atuja Captain Adda and Sebro Donara Eddie Macau says so when you subscribe to channel Eddie Abomodia so subscribe and say hadia latest and hot news and go era mede bremo I feel we are not like video and give us a thumbs up nafi share my Ato Forson when you be here now who and somewhere koso e wo Ghana be manum also betimi a chere wadwen afa aye and some way nyina ho e wo comment box mu mo beti me kabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.